For methi mutton, first add oil to the cooker. Add some lavang, dalchini, tejpata, slit green chilies. Give this a mix. Add chopped onion. Some ginger garlic paste. Add turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, mutton masala powder. Give this a mix. Add whisk curd, 2 tablespoons. Add the mutton. Add salt. Add the coriander stem. 1 spoon of lemon juice. Add a cup of water. Keep lid and let the mutton get cooked 80%. Wait for 8 to 9 whistles and check if the mutton is 80% cooked. Pressure is released. Open the cooker and check if the meat is 80% cooked. Switch on the flame. Add the methi. Let this cook on a medium flame for another 10 minutes. So this is done and now we shall serve this. So here the methi mutton is ready, and in case if you have liked this video, do subscribe to Anagha recipes. Thank you.